back, and my daughter and I, oh gosh, we had to make like 50 or almost 60 cupcakes for my two little granddaughters who have a birthday. By the way, I'm going to do a video on decorating their birthday cake for you. But I thought, you know what? I'm just going to show you how to do a real easy fluffy white frosting. So, I figured I'd show you that. And we'll go from there. That way I won't have such a big video when it comes time to decorate. Anyway, so I'm going to use 1 whole stick of butter. 8 tablespoons of butter. And hopefully, if I've got enough in here, I'm having to go and get my other one, I'm going to use 4 cups of powdered sugar. Two, 3, 4. Yep, I got it. I got enough there. Oh, maybe I better take a little bit more. There we go. Okay. We got that. Now, boy, if I turn my beaters on right now, it's going to be a disaster. I'm going to mix that up a little just with my rubber spatula here. And then we'll beat the heck out of it with the mixer, because we want this good and fluffy. Okay. And then again, like I show you, I use my shelf-stable milk. And I'm going to use about 4 tablespoons. So it'd be about a 1/4 cup. So let me get that out here. Be about a 1/4 cup of milk in here. And there we have it. And we're also going to put a good teaspoon. I mean, when you do this, you might want to use the clear, because this will give it an off-white. You might want to use the, if you need the white, you're going to want to use the clear vanilla. But this is alright. These are going to be decorated anyway. So we're going to mix that up a little bit so that when we turn our beaters on, it don't fly all over my house. Believe me, I've had that happen. I just did that earlier when we were mixing up the cake mix. So, okay. Now we got that. Now I'm going to turn my beaters on, and we're going to really fluff this up. This might get loud. And if it's too thick, you can adjust the milk on it. Add a little more. If you get too much milk, you can add a little more powdered sugar. And see how that's really thick? I don't want mine that thick because I'm going to be, I'm going to use a tablespoon at a time, because I'm going to be using this for decorating. So I want it good and fluffy. So there's 1 tablespoon. We'll start out with that. That might just do it. That's going to be good for me. That's going to be real good consistency for me. So I'm going to go and I'm going to finish beating this, because you're going to want to whip this for at least 2 to 3, maybe even 4 minutes. And I'll be right back. Okay, friends, there we have it. Look at how nice and fluffy that is. See that? I'm just going to store that right in my dish. Look at that. That sure did turn out nice. That's the easiest way to make frosting ever. And it's so much better than the store-bought. And you can decorate with this. This is wonderful stuff. I love this. You can make it with chocolate. All you got to do is add a little bit of cocoa powder to it. I think this recipe would call for maybe like a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and you'd make chocolate. You can flavor it with any other thing you want. It's really versatile and it's really easy to make, and it works good. So there is my frosting. Beautiful. And give it a try, because you know what? It works fantastic for making for decorating cupcakes or just plain simple frosting them. And you know what? It's like pennies compared to what you pay for this in the store. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.